Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. It's time for another quick update video. As you can see, I've got the Speedster here. This might be one of the last times that you guys see it. I have listed it for sale. I did recently do a final drive video with this car, and that video is already live on the channel. I've also listed this on eBay today. So this video will come out a day after I filmed it, which means it will have been on eBay for one day by the time this goes live. I'm pretty happy with the way the car came out. I've really enjoyed the last few drives that I've taken in this car, but I will be happy to see it go as well. For one, I have a lot of money tied up in it, and I would like to get that back, especially with all the expenses of the new Honda that I'm working on, but also the space. I just don't have room to store everything, and it's very time consuming moving the cars around all the time. Hey Walter, what's up buddy? Did you come to say hi? Hi buddy. Yeah, but okay, so basically that's the Speedster. It's for sale. If you're interested in it, check out the listing on eBay. I'm open to reasonable offers. Okay, so on to everything else. So the Land Cruiser is basically as it was. No changes yet, but I will be working on this soon. Like I said in my last video, I'll probably do the brakes next, but I might actually go ahead and throw the engine in and get started on that. I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do with these hubs, whether I'm going to buy new ones or rebuild these, and so that's kind of why I'm dragging my feet on installing the brakes. But anyways, I will have a video for that coming out soon. These are the windows for the Beetle. I may go ahead and try to install those again. I might see if I can have a friend come over and help me to get those in. Also, you may have seen my recent video on the Beetle. I put the seats back in it, but the foam for the front seats was really shot, the original foam. So I've ordered foam kits for that, so I will be redoing the front seats on that, but I'm waiting on that foam to get here. What I've got going on down here, these are the door panels for the Honda. And these were in really bad shape. They were warped and just really in awful shape. But what I did is I lightly sprayed water all over them. I got those rags damp and laid them on there damp, and then I put heavy objects on it, in this case batteries, and I flattened it out and let it dry for a few days. So those are looking really good. I've got the material here for those door panels, and I have a lot of extra material, and I'll tell you why in just a second. Okay, let's come out here. So, onto the Honda. So, of course I'm redoing the door panels, but also I'm going to make a cover for when the top is down. So when this top goes down, it folds down here. I'm going to use that same vinyl material to make a cover over the top, but I might also make a tonneau cover that when the top is down will go all the way across, because I already have the snaps on the dash. I guess it was like that from the factory for the tonneau cover. So I may make that as well. That's pretty much it on the Honda for now. I did get a notice from the company that I ordered the pistons and rings from and a bunch of other parts that everything has shipped, but it's coming from Germany, so it may be a few weeks before I get those parts. I'm not really sure. Over here you'll see that I have the deck lid here off the 911. I've started painting this. I put one coat on it, but there's a few blemishes I still need to address, so I'm going to lightly sand this and then add at least another coat to it. And I'll probably bring the 911 here today so that I can get started on the rear section of it. Start stripping it down, start prepping that for paint. For the Bushmaster, I kind of got excited this week because I almost bought an entire new donor truck. It was an 84 4x4, which is perfect because the 4x4 engine has a specific oil pan that I need. So I would have had the engine. It also had the same color interior, which would have been great because I could have used the steering wheel, which is in better shape. It had good wheels and tires. So basically I was going to have everything I needed in one package that I could take off of that truck and put on this one. But it sold so quickly. I found the listing probably an hour or two after it was posted, and I said I wanted to come see it the next morning. within another hour, I got a message back saying it was already sold. So it sold within like 3 or 4 hours of being posting. So I didn't get a chance to get that one. But anyways, I am still searching for at least an engine for the Bushmaster, and like I said, maybe just a whole another donor truck. But okay, so that's all that's going on out here. Come back in here. Basically, the main thing I was working on this week was the Speedster. You know, I put a new transmission in it this week, so that video is up. If you haven't already seen it, you can check that out. So it no longer has the grinding issue. It's basically ready to go. The car's in good shape. It runs and drives well. It presents well, so you know it's ready to go. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.